Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create polls on X, formerly known as Twitter. So let's get started. It is actually mind-blowingly simple. All you need to do guys is log into your X account, of course, and this works on both device types, on desktop as well as on mobile device. So once you're logged in, simply click on that button here in the top left corner, post, and after that simply select the third option here from the left, which is polls, and click on it. Let me just remove or delete that at Amazon because I don't want to address that poll to Amazon. And after that, here at the top where you usually post the text for your tweets or for your posts on X, simply ask your poll question. Like for example, let me ask a question like, what is your favorite digital marketing method or strategy? Just like that. And you below simply give a couple of choices or items or answers or replies, like for example, I don't know, affiliate marketing, and choice number 2 would be print on demand, for example, or drop shipping, and so on and so forth. You can add more choices and more answers by clicking on the plus icon here to the right, just like that, and so on and so forth. Remember that these answers can contain or feature up to 25 characters. And lastly guys, set a due date here below or poll a length like days, hours, minutes, and so on and so forth, and decide who you would like to share your poll with here where it says everyone can reply. So you can choose, for example, to set everyone or accounts you follow or only verified accounts or only accounts you mention in your poll or in your X message. And last but not least, once you're content with everything, click on that post icon here to publish your poll so that your followers or in general people on X, users on X, may participate in it. And if you like, you can also upload or add an image or a video to that by clicking on that plus icon here. For instance, if you'd like to give your poll some of your own touch and a custom appearance, and you can also save your poll for later by clicking on drafts here to make it a draft and to post it later. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.